All right, starting off strong. We're gonna grocery shop my garden today, and it's been really, really windy, and this banana plant completely fell down. And so we usually pick the bananas, the whole rack, once it starts becoming yellow. This one is not, so they should still ripen, but we've never done that before, so we'll see. We'll have to cut this one down since it fell. So we have that one. We did pick a rack last week with 105 bananas, and look what I'm seeing here. Let me show you. So we have another banana bunch starting to yellow, so we're gonna cut this one down today as well. And you can see some bananas peeking out above it that aren't ready quite yet. Hopefully those stay up. It's been so windy, as you can see. But look at that, there's a flower coming, so this will turn into a banana rack. And then we have, let me show you, there's another flower over here that just started. And then we have a banana rack in the back as well. So we're gonna cut down these 2 racks of bananas, and let's move on and pick some more produce. All right, there's the ripe one. All right, here's the unripe one. So we will see how it ripens compared to this one. Today we're doing another grocery shop my garden, where I go around my yard, and it's small. It's about 1/4 acre in the Southern California suburbs, and I just go around and harvest the either eggs or fruits or vegetables. And yeah, there's a Jakey. And then I tell you how much it would be at the grocery store, and make sure to stay till the end, because I'll calculate the total. So right now we're gonna search for eggs. My daughter found one this morning. We only have 3 chickens starting to lay eggs from the chicks we bought in the spring. Let's see if there's anything else in here yet today. Nope, just the fake eggs. None in here. And let's go see, this is Sparkles. She likes to jump the fence and lay in this one spot. So let's go check that out. All right, here's her spot. And yep, she laid an egg. She'll just jump over the fence and jump right back after she lays her egg. So 1 egg. All right, these are the Thai bananas, not ready yet. Let's find some low-hanging avocados if I can. I just want a couple today. Here's one. Let me get that one. All right, I found another one here. Let's get this one too. These are bacon avocados. All right, let's find one more. There's another one that I can reach easily. Just get this one right here. All right, 3 bacon avocados. This one, it looks like a squirrel was kind of gnawing on it early on, but it's formed over, and it looks okay. So we'll take it. All right, let's get some calamansi. All right, this is a variegated calamansi. Now these calamansi, there we go. Can you see it okay? Let's do this. They usually get a little bit bigger than this, but they've been on here for a while. So I'm gonna take a couple and see how they are. So let's get this one right here. So if you haven't heard of calamansi, you can use it like a lemon or a lime, because they're sour. All right, so now I'm going to get some rosemary. All right, we have a lot of rosemary here. I like to pick it fresh, but I like to have some on hand. Also, for dried rosemary in the house. So let me get some of this. All right, here's the rosemary. We're going to bring this in to dry. All right, Mickey's doing an egg song, so I think she will be laying an egg soon. 1 egg? 1 egg. All right, so here is another egg.
I'm just
2 eggs today.
I'm just dusting it out.
Yeah. Actually, there was 3.
Yeah.
Yeah, 3. 3
Sorta.
today. Okay, let's talk numbers. So we had 3 eggs today. So they'd be about 33 cents if you are getting them from Costco organic. And we have 3, so that would be 99 cents for the eggs. For the rosemary, you can get these, it's probably about $3 at the farmer's market for a bunch like this, organic. So $3 for this bunch of rosemary. Calamansi, these are pretty tiny, but rare. So let's just say 50 cents for each. Actually, it'd be more like 50 cents total. So let's say 25 cents each because they're so tiny this year. All right, 3 bacon avocados. These are a little bit more rare and specialty. So online, they're about $6.65 each from what I found. So with 3, that's $19.95 for the avocados. Okay, I'm just gonna cut all these bananas off and see how many we have so we can calculate how many. Full disclosure, this is the next day, but look how ripe. You know, there was a couple bananas that were ripe when we cut this rack off yesterday. Look how many have ripened. And we got some that have opened up. But this is the one that fell over, so they're not going to ripen as fast. But yeah, let me cut these up and see how many bananas we have. All right, this is the first rack of the banana plant that fell. We have 120 of these bananas. So market value, I think, for ice cream bananas, probably about 50 cents per banana. So that would be $60 for this rack. Let me cut up this rack now. All right, this is the rack that was ripe. So this rack had 62 bananas. So at 50 cents each, that would be 31. And I just wanted to show you also, if you grow your own bananas, sometimes you'll have these little tiny bananas. I didn't count these, but when you open them, yeah, it's just like a little tiny banana. And they taste just the same as the others. So that's kind of cool. And this one, sometimes, bananas are yellow. And sometimes you'll get bananas that are fused together. You can see this side is together and this side formed apart. So that's kind of interesting. And it looks like these 3 formed together too. So this is, counted this as 2 bananas, but this is actually fused together completely. So it's like one big banana. Okay, so let me give you the full total for everything. All right, so the total of everything combined is $115.44. And then if you add the sales tax, which for here in Southern California where I am, it's 7.25%. So at the grocery store, it would be $8.36 for tax. So that leaves us with $123.80 total. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. We're going to do a lot more grocery shopping in the garden videos. Also how-tos about bananas and things, growing bananas and things like that. Please comment below, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Happy gardening, everyone.